Are you struggling to connect your USB-C headset to your Xbox? You're not alone, and today we're going to fix that. Many gamers have this exact problem, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your headset working perfectly with your Xbox. All right? First, let's check your Xbox settings. Go to the settings menu and look for devices and connections. Make sure that your Xbox is set up to recognize headsets. Okay? Next, use a USB-C to USB-A adapter if your headset has a USB-C plug. This simple adapter can help you to plug it into the Xbox controller. Third, make sure that your headset's audio settings, the audio settings are correct. Head to the audio settings in the Xbox menu and choose the right audio input for your headset. Then, check your headset's microphone. If it's not picking up the sound, check the mute button on the headset itself. And finally, try restarting your Xbox. Sometimes a quick reboot can help the system recognize new devices. All right? So, don't forget these, don't let these tech problems stop you for gaming. If you like these tips, leave me a comment, like, subscribe. Ciao.